Guys, Benny from 782 Motors, Classics Lowriders Muscle Cars. This time I'm super stoked to be showing you this HJ Sandman panel van. It's a genuine XX7 van, so if you're not sure what that means, there was only one plant in Australia that made and stamped them as a Sandman, so there's no mucking around because they are a hard car to decode. But XX7 on the stamp also has a historical report with the vehicle, breaking it down as a Sandman panel van. Factory 308, factory 4-speed, factory power steering, Papaya paint, black trim, no holes cut in the side, it's windowless, bubble window in the back, empty in the fit out in the back. It's a really cool style, man. You want to jump on www.782motors.com.au and check this car out.